Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I still think this looks like an uptrend. I still think it's going to end up continuing up, most likely eventually taking out these highs before we get that bigger push to the downside. I still think this is actually a crescent to the downside on the very high time, or if you zoom out on the monthly time frame. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, I still think that's a 1. I still think this is a running flat wave 2. If that's true, that would make this a wave 1. That would make this a wave 2. I still think there's a very good likelihood this is going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a 5, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily, I mean, it really kind of looks like it should make another push down. It does look like 1, 2, 3 waves down right now, and you would think that this would make a 4 and a 5 and push down again. And if it just keeps on pushing down, then fine, we're looking for shorts anyways. If it makes a Fibonacci bounce, goes up and breaks structure, then that's what's going to prove to me that this really is the end of a wave 2, and that we really are going up for the wave 3. As of right now, there's no proof that this is going up in any big way. This easily could just be a wave 4 correction to the downtrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, to me this looks like a trend. I mean, it might actually just be a wave A. I mean, this could just be a wave B, and it might just go up and make a wave C. But if we're real lucky, maybe it's not an ABC. Maybe it's a 1, a 2, and a 3, and at the end of this wave 2, we go long, and it just keeps on trending up, proving that this is the end of a wave 2 on the higher time frames. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, it kind of almost looks like it's in a wave 4 right now. 1, 2, and this kind of looks like it's all a wave 3. This could even be a wave 4, which is why I got my Fibonacci retracement just on this last move. Because if we do get a nice Fibonacci bounce and a positive move up, I would definitely take it as a long. It might just be a wave 5, go up and retest these highs and then go back down. Or maybe if we're lucky, it's just a continuation of the uptrend and it just keeps on trending up. I would definitely primarily be looking for longs, at least on the 1 hour time frame and under, but I would also keep in mind that the daily time frame kind of looks like this could be a big ABC of 4. And if this is a big ABC of 4, it might just go back up, retest these highs, and then continue the downtrend. So, I mean, I would definitely be trying to enter long, and then I would learn and earn at the same time whether this is a wave C, whether it's a wave 5, or whether it's actually the bottom down here, and this just keeps on trending up. Take it one step at a time. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to my swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.